I wish to consider few sums wherein calculation of goodwill is involved. Observe it. Determine the value of goodwill on the basis of 4 years purchase of weighted average profit for the partnership firm of Ravi and Ravina. From the following information, this is the information given to you. You are given profit 20,000, 22,000, 25,000 and 30,000, increasing trend. When there is an increasing trend, you should find the weighted average profit. Here, profit of last 4 years has an upward trend, increasing trend. Thus, the application of weighted average profit method to determine the value of goodwill is more relevant, appropriate. So, once we decide to give the weights, then we should identify the weights. Weight 1, 2, 3, 4 are assigned to the years 2001, 2002, 2003 and 2004 respectively. Now, let us work out the weighted average. Profit for the first year 20,000, weight is 1, 20,000 into 1, weighted average profit is 20,000. Second year profit is 22,000, weight is 2, 22,000 into 2, 44,000 is the weighted average profit. 25,000 multiplied with 3, weight 75,000 is the weighted average profit. 30,000 is the profit, weight is 4, 1,20,000 is the weighted average profit. Now have a total of weights 10 and total of weighted average profit 2,59,000. On the basis of this information, let us work out first of all the weighted average profit. Total weighted profit 2,59,000 divided by 10. So 25,900 is the weighted average profit. Now if I want to find out the value of goodwill, weighted average profit multiplied by years of purchase of weighted average profit. So 25,900 has to be multiplied with the 4 years purchase of weighted average profit. So it has to be multiplied with 4. Observe it. So value of goodwill is 1,03,600 is the value of goodwill. Now observe the next sum. Using the appropriate average, determine the value of goodwill on the basis of 6 years purchase. 20,000, 15,000, 20,000 and 17,000. So there is fluctuation in profit. Now observe. Profit of 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004 are 20,000, 15,000, 20,000 and 17,000 respectively. Here the profit of 4 years has no upward trend. So we use the simple average method. So to work out the simple average, let us have a total of profit for 4 years. That is 20,000 plus 15,000 plus 20,000 plus 17,000 divided by number of years 4. So we get the total 72,000 divided by 4. 18,000 is the simple average profit. Goodwill is equal to average profit multiplied by number of years of purchase 6. So 18,000 into 6, 1,08,000 is the value of goodwill. So 1,08,000 is the value of goodwill. Now this is a very simple sum. Let us go to the next sum. For a partnership firm of Vishal and Vaishali, determine the value of goodwill of a firm, 3 years purchase of average profit of last 5 years from the following information. 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004 profits are given to you. 45,000, 50,000, 65,000, 70,000, 80,000. Just observe. Here the profit for last 5 years has an upward trend. Thus, application of weighted average profit method to determine the value of goodwill is more appropriate. Highest weight 5 is given to the most recent year, that is 2004. So, the weights 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are identified to the year starting from 2000 to 2004 respectively. Look at the calculation part. First year profit 45,000, weight is 1, weighted average profit 45,000. Second year profit is 50,000, weight is 2, weighted average profit 1 lakh. Third year profit is 65,000, weight is 3, 65,000 into 3, 1,95,000 is the weighted average profit. 70,000 into 4, 2,80,000, and last year 80,000 into 5, 4 lakhs. Total of weights 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, and here total is 10,20,000. Now weighted average profit is equal to 10,20,000 divided by 50. That works out to be 68,000. Now goodwill is equal to 68,000 multiplied by number of years, that is 3 years. So value of goodwill worked out to be 68,000 into 3, 2,04,000 is the value of goodwill. These are very simple sums. You have observed them, and I feel that you have followed. Thanks to all of you.